Guys, what are we cooking in this lovely pot, guys? It's smelling so good and it's so easy to make. Very juicy, very yummy, great for the kids. And if you want to know how we put all of these together, you need to keep on watching. In the meantime, let's get cooking. Assalamu alaikum, I am Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. How are you all? I hope you're all having a great time. I'm fine too. Thank you all so much for coming back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. I appreciate you all. So today in Fatim Ali's Kitchen, we're cooking lamb meatballs, European style, and it's going to be great. Please do not miss it out. So we've got all of these ingredients for this lamb meatballs. So what we're going to do now is we're going to be adding this green seasoning on top of the meat. Also, we will be taking some of the garlic and add it on. Then we will be adding the Maggi Cube. This is just a simple, quick recipe. Okay, so we're putting some salt in it as well and some pepper. And we will mix all of these together with our lovely clean hands. Okay, so the meat is all nicely mixed. So now we're going to be making some balls out of it, all right? You can use both your hands if your one hand is not steady to be making balls. Just like that, all right? Okay, so let's get into the frying. The oil is nicely hot in the pan. So we're going to go on and fry our meatballs. While our meat is frying over in the pan, we're going to go on and do the onions. For the sauce, we're going to be dicing the onion today. Just not too small dice, just like that. Okay, so let's try and shuffle this on here. I'm going to fry some basil, just a couple. Be careful when you do basil, you don't want it to go black. Don't press on it too hard. Just gently hold it and gently roll it. Then rough cut it. Enough, I'm going to leave that there for a minute. Now let's go and check our meat and try and turn them over. Yeah, they're nicely fried. You just give them a turn. Our meatballs have fried. We're going to take them out now. So guys, as you can see, I had to change the pan to a little bigger pot because we're coming to do the sauce and everything else, and I feel like this one is more spacious so that everything can fit in nicely. Okay, so our oil is ready. Then we're going to go on and add the onions in. We are going to give that a little stir. Then I have added another tiny amount of the green seasoning. This green seasoning is basically just herbs, green herbs with garlic and spice. That's what we blend here. I'm going to add a bit of that. I'm also going to add the garlic in. Then I'll mix all of these together. I'm going to leave this to fry, okay, until it's all nicely golden. Alright guys, the onions have nicely golden. So at this point we're going to go on and add our tomato sauce in. Mix all well. And then we'll add some black pepper in, tiny bit of salt, and I'm going to add 1 Maggi cube, okay? Right, so we mix all of these together, and I'm going to leave this to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes already, guys, and this sauce is cooking nicely. Look at that. So at this point, I'm going to go on and add a tiny bit of water in from the same bowl that the tomato sauce came out from. Mix it all well, and then I'm going to add the chopped basil, and I'll add the meatballs in. We give all of this a stir. So at this point, I'm going to turn the gas down a little bit and just leave this to slowly cook 8 to 10 minutes, alright? Because we're cooking European style meatballs, we're going to be having it with some pasta. So we've got our water boiling up in here. Okay, I might add another tiny drop of water on top. This should take us about 8 to 10 minutes for the pasta to cook. Or if you want your pasta very cooked, you can go a little bit longer. Or if you want it less cooked, you can just take a fork while the pasta is cooking, just stab it in there and see to your own taste. Okay, so our pasta has cooked, guys. I'm going to turn the gas totally off, and I'm going to drain it in the sink. And also the meatballs have nicely cooked as well, so I'm going to turn that gas off and then leave it for 5 minutes. Then I will dish out, okay? So guys, we have drained the pasta, but we're going to add something on this pasta that we're going to share with you guys. If you have not watched the video already, please go and do it. It's very nice with pasta, and the secret ingredients is homemade pesto. We always have a homemade pesto in our fridge. Whenever we make a pasta and we want to add pesto in it, we just open the fridge and just use our homemade pesto and add it on our pasta. And I have got a video of how the homemade pesto is made, and it's in one of my videos. But if you don't know where to find it, I'll put a link of the pesto on the description section below, so that you can see how to make it and you can make it. So I'm going to add 2 big large spoonful of that on the pasta. Try it, guys. It's very nice. It gives your pasta a very nice yummy taste. So I'm gonna add that on, and then I'm going to mix all of them together. You can add as much as you want. Okay, I've added 2 big large spoonful. I might add a little bit more. So I'm going to add 1 more large spoon. Okay, that's it. So we're going to mix all of these together. This is yum. It is smelling so great. The kids loves it so much. Right. Okay, so we're gonna come on this up now. All right. So guys, there you have it. That's the portion of our European style meatball with pasta and pesto. It looks so yummy. It looks so soft, the meatballs, and it looks so tasteful. Okay, so that's the portion we're sharing with you. And thank you all so much for coming. If you like what you see in the kitchen today, please put your thumbs up to like. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit that notification bell right over here so that you don't miss out on content. When we post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. In the meantime, we love you all and you're all invited. Until we come on your way again soon. Goodbye.